Good day, friends. It's now Tomato Omelet's turn, and we are going to cook one. I have already chopped the tomatoes, and we have a cup full of chopped onions, and now we are preparing the egg. I have cracked 2 eggs, and now the third one. Usually for the omelette the size we want to make 3 eggs is enough. Now we are going to add almost 2 tablespoons of milk to it, and add some salt, and black pepper, now we can either mix it with a manual mixer or the handheld electric one. When it's completely mixed and smooth, it makes it easier to cook. Now we have all the ingredients ready, and we go start cooking. On one of the pans I will add some cooking oil and the onions. We just spread it around so that it get the heat evenly, and then wait for the onions to get soft. Now the onions are ready. We can add the tomato to it. We just want enough for 1 omelette. And wait for the tomato to get ready as well. So now the tomato and onion is almost done and ready to go into the omelette. We add some cooking oil to the other pan and pour the egg and milk mixture in the pan. Now we wait until it gets to a point that you don't see the liquid, and when you actually shake the pan or move the egg, you will see it moves freely in the pan. Now we add the tomato onion in the middle, avoid the edges. And now we flip one end of the egg on top of the tomatoes like this, and press it down so that it sticks and won't turn back. Now the other side we do the same. And press it, hold it like I'm doing, so that it sticks together and won't open up. And now we flip the whole omelette over and give it about a couple of minutes, and the omelette will be ready. Now we are going to transfer the omelette from the pan to the serving plate. And we're going to garnish it with some colorful bell pepper. And have some coriander and parsley in the middle. Okay, the tomato omelette is ready.